Hi, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today is going to be another great session of trading with binary options on Quadex. If you're unfamiliar with this channel, watch the video and let us know if you like it in the commentary section. Subscribe and leave us a like if you like the content, and I'm sure you will, so you'll find something interesting in these sessions. So let's get straight to the video. Don't forget about the description to this video, which contains links to the platform where I trade and also a Telegram group where we post a lot of information regarding the trading. So if you want to learn, if you want to just keep up with the news and everything. Okay, so today let's start. We are starting with $12 and we'll see where we can get with the $12 on the Quadex. So $12 it is. It's 1 minute time, and here straight away I'm gonna go with a put option. I can see the MACD indicator there showing us the decrease in price. So let's go. Ooh, that's a draw. So it's a $12 back, which is not bad. I mean, it's good. We're just gonna go with the put option again and see if that works out. Let's see. Here is the profit, guys, and it's $22.92 in total on our balance. So let's go with $22, and it's going to be for should we go to different currency here? It's actually, that's not a bad situation here. Maybe let's check this. Okay, we'll go with the put option here. Let's go 1 minute. Let's wait. Ooh, here we have $42 profit. So let's put those $42 to good use and make another option. And we're gonna go to a different currency as always. Maybe this one. That's a good opportunity here. We're gonna go with the call option. Let's go. We have another profit, guys, here, $79. What we're gonna do is $80, we're gonna place them for the next option. Let's check out which one is the best for us of the currencies, and obviously let's start here. That's a bit tricky. Let's go for the call put option. Ooh, here we have 153 dollars of profit already, so we're gonna go with $153 and we're gonna place them on another. As you noticed, I'm using a 30-second timing here, so that it's more dynamic. I guess it's less time for me to wait around, so we're gonna go with this call option here, and it's 30 seconds. Yeah, if you guys have want to familiarize yourself with patterns, with indicators like MACD, or which one to use, zigzag, or whatever, how they work and all the patterns of the graph and everything, just go to the Telegram group that we've put in the description to this video. Join that and you'll find all your answers there to all your questions. And if you have any questions, here's the profit, by the way, 292. If you have any questions, also ask them in the commentary section in here below the video. So 292, and this is going to be the next option. Is going to be the big one already. So this is, I actually like how fast this is going. So this is pretty pretty cool and dynamic. It's less waiting around for me and less boring for you guys. So let's go to the next option. Oh, actually I like this here. I like the way it's going. Maybe 1 minute. Let's check this things out here. That could be a call option here. Let's go. Here we have the profit of 551. So 552 is gonna be our next profit here, and we're gonna go for the next currency. Although there are some nice situations, but I just don't want to get caught up in this things here. So 550. We're gonna go with put option. You see the it's been going up for a while, so okay, here we have some nice profit. $1,054. 1,000 option is the next one. So we're gonna go for I'm gonna go for it and change the currency again. So what I do, I just go around and change the currency and just do okay, call option here. Good situations, you can see. Need to catch that quick. So 1 minute, let's wait. Here is the profit, 1,910. In total we have $1,964.55, and we're gonna go with another 1,000 for this option until we can get some more thousands, and we can then make multiple options. So let's go for the next currency. Okay, I'm gonna go with another yet call option here. Let's go. $1,910. Another profit. In total now 2,874. So what does that mean? We're gonna make multiple options now. We're gonna make a 2,000 option now. So the next option is a 2,000 call option here. Oh wait, that was close, but we have a profit 3,780, $4,654.55 in total. Now that means we can make a 4,000 option. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a 4,000 option. That is actually looking. I'm gonna make 4,000 put option here. That's looking good. Don't want to waste this opportunity, so that's something. Here we have the profit, guys. Wow, so now we got to a point where $8,214.55 is on our balance, starting with only $12. This is a huge profit. I know you think it's crazy, but that's how it works, and you don't necessarily have to go all the way to these amounts because obviously it's volatile. You can lose it all. That is something that you need to be aware of. and for that reason I strongly advise join the group, and you'll find out more about all these things and how to deal with everything. So right now you see me, I made $7,000 dollars put option for 1 minute, and we're gonna see the result of it. But imagine if that doesn't work out. I know that you only put $12 in the beginning, but then you could have cashed it or whatever. So you need to know what you're doing first of all, and then have a backup plan. If you do this and then have a backup plan, have more time to recuperate, because you can go ahead and recuperate again. But yeah, just have patience and learn. Yeah, for sure. Here we have our profits, and it's amazing, guys. 14,000. So I just made this 7,000, and it turned it into, in 1 minute, we turned it into $14,500. That's something to think about. Let's go for the next one. Should we put another 7,000? I'm gonna go with this put option here, and it's gonna be $9,000, guys. Just so you see. I hope this plays out and doesn't. But I just saw this great opportunity and I used it. So let's wait. Oh yeah, guys. Oh hell, look. 23, almost 23, $22,594.55 on our balance. This is amazing, guys. So what we're gonna do next is, I just want to check this thing here. Ooh, it didn't work out, guys. Okay. So, see, well, next time I know, right? So I'm just gonna go and make a few more here. So we are making 7,000 put option here towards still the same, but the timing was wrong. You see, I thought this was a quick pattern to use as a quick decision. Right now you see we made a lot of money, so it was a lot of profit. It was 11,000, and so it was quite a bit. It was 12,000, so in total is $25,824.55. This is amazing, right? So we're just gonna go, and I'm gonna go for another option here. And shall I? Actually, I'm going to go for a 7,000 option, and I'm just gonna go 30 seconds, and I'm gonna make a quick 7,000 option. Yes, it worked, guys. It worked. So, actually, damn it. I made this option, but it didn't. It was a draw. Damn. Come on. Okay, it's only a few seconds left, I think. No. Oh, shit. That was not a good one. You see, 30 seconds is really, really hard. So I just... Okay, so we're going with another 7,000 call option. I'm still sticking at it. It's gonna be around, yes, it's gonna be around 30,000, $29,054.55. So this is it for today, guys. We're gonna stop here. This is amazing profit, amazing. I'm sure you can say that as well. $12 to 30 grand. Okay, we had a moment where you could lose it, but as you see, it it works out in a way that if you know what you're doing. So let's um, let's meet again in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.